Welcome to Life Hacks. In this video, I will show you how to backup Android phone using Google Drive. Open Settings, tap Google, select All Services, swipe down, go to Backup, toggle switch on, tap Backup now. Next, I am going to show you how to backup WhatsApp messages. Open WhatsApp, tap 3 dot in the top right corner, tap Settings, tap Chats, then tap Chats Backup. Select a backup schedule. Tap Backup. Remember, you need to have a Google account signed to Google Drive in order to back this up. Last thing I need to show you how to backup Viber. Open the Viber app, tap More at the bottom right hand corner, tap Settings, tap Account, tap Viber Backup. Now tap Auto Backup. Choose how often you want to backup your data. Select if you want to backup your photos and videos. Tap Backup now. That's all I want to show you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.